Hi you guys, how are you all? I hope that you are doing well. I feel like every so often I have this like random collection of products that don't really fit into like their own video or a specific themed video. So I just decided I'm gonna call videos like this new and noteworthy, or maybe new or noteworthy. I don't know if all these products will fit into the noteworthy category, but I've been trying some new products. So I thought I would pull them all together and just kind of talk you guys through the new stuff that I've been using, whether or not I like it. Yeah, if you guys like this idea for a series, let me know, because this definitely happens quite frequently where I'm like, how do I make a video out of these products that have absolutely nothing to do with each other? But let's get started. If you haven't already, I hope that you consider hitting that subscribe button. Always means the world. Always such a great way to support creators. So thank you for doing that. And yeah, let's talk about these products. So you guys know that I've been kind of on this like color science hype with this SPF product. I've been talking about it for a while, really enjoy it, but MD Solar Sciences also sent me some of their products to try, and I've been kind of like working my way through them. And one of the products that I recently opened that I've been kind of testing out for the past month or so is this Mineral Cream SPF 50. So this is kind of like a unique product because I know for some people it has silicone in it, dimethicone, so that's not going to work for you, and that's totally fine. This might be just a past product for you, but if you are someone who uses products with dimethicone, then I thought this was really interesting, mainly because it reminds me so much of the texture of the Benefit Professional, which I used to absolutely love before I changed up my beauty routine. That was a product that I always had on hand because it really did just like glide over your face and really give you this flawless canvas. This mineral sunscreen does a very similar thing. So you can see when you take it out, it's just like a normal sunscreen white, but as soon as I start to blend it in, it literally just like disappears on your skin. Like you don't even like feel it on your hand anymore. It has that glide effect, and then you just get this like really beautiful, perfect surface. My assumption is because of the dimethicone in it. I also sometimes feel like mineral sunscreens give you a really nice veil, but this is just a really great priming product for makeup. So I thought I would just throw that in there. I have worn this on like pool days and stuff, and I haven't gotten burned with it. It's water resistant for 80 minutes. It's SPF 50. I just thought this was a really interesting kind of like unique product in the mineral sunscreen category. I also have their tinted version, so I thought I would give that a try too. But yeah, the texture of this is just like such a great primer. If you have oily skin, I could definitely see this being a really nice kind of mattifying product. The next thing is just like a very gentle, non-abrasive cleanser. I needed this for a while using the Naturopathica Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm. Still obsessed with that, still love it. But if I do a double cleanse, and I like to go in with some sort of like foaming cleanser or just like a more traditional cleanser after that. And so I picked this up because both Jared and I needed it, and I just got this at Target. It's Derma E Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This is such a great gentle cleanse. I was really surprised. It's not terribly expensive. It's a vegan product. It's cruelty-free, GMO-free, and then I think mainly it's just super accessible. I've been seeing Derma E everywhere. So at like CVS, like I said, I got this just at Target. My Whole Foods sells this as well. So just knowing that there's like an easy go-to cleanser is really nice. This is a drugstore product, so there might be some ingredients that, depending on like the level of conscious beauty you're at, might not work for you, but it's worth a look. I've had really great experience with Derma E products. I just feel like they're pretty gentle, reliable. I tried a hydrating mist from them as well that I really enjoyed, and it was a lot cheaper than getting a Josh Rosebrook mist. So like, it depends on your price range and kind of what you're looking for, but I do think that this checks a lot of boxes, and I've just really been enjoying using this as a second cleanse. I don't feel like it strips my skin, and it's a really generic, just easy grab and go product that I thought was worth sharing with you guys. And in the spirit of taking good care of your skin, I've also been trying this new Shaft body lotion, and this is a new brand for me. They just started carrying it at the detox market. I've like left all the packaging intact so I can show you guys. Really love kind of the minimal packaging. This is an interesting body lotion. I feel like I've started to see a larger trend of like body care products come up this year. I know like Kosas just released a body wash. This brand in particular has this lotion. The brand Necessaire has a lot of like body products that have added skincare benefit. It's not just a lotion anymore, and this kind of falls into that. It has lots of yummy oils in it: niacinamide, aloe, avocado oil, all good stuff. So when you take off the cap, the nice part is they put this little insert inside the lotion so that it doesn't like spray everywhere. And I really like this applicator. It reminds me a little bit of like a foam cleanser applicator, but this is just like a really beautiful, smooth, comforting lotion. It absorbs relatively quickly into your skin. What I mean by that is it's not heavy. Definitely a nice weight of lotion for summer. You know, like you don't want that like sticky, sweaty feel whenever you're wearing lotion during the summer. And this is a really good product that doesn't give you that feeling. But the way that it like nourishes your skin, you just feel it the next day. Like you feel like your skin is super smooth, almost like it has this protective layer that it gives your skin that just lasts forever. So I've really been enjoying this. It also is pretty much scentless, at least to me. So if you're someone who is really scent sensitive, then I'm thinking this might be a good one for you to look into. Yeah, I really don't smell any particular scent with it. It just feels really fresh, really light on the skin. And although, like I said, it's very fast absorbing, that doesn't mean that it doesn't like protect or hydrate your skin the way like a thicker body butter would. So I just think it's a really interesting combination of just like a great summer lotion, but then packing in the punch like a really thick body butter, which you guys know I usually tend to go for because I have such dry skin. This kind of does it all. So I've been super impressed with it. Again, I love like the packaging and the branding, and then obviously, as I just went into, the product is really nice. Next up is hair care. I have just been like on a Rawa kick. I have their shampoos in my shower. I've been trying out their like new scalp scrub shampoo, which I've really been enjoying. It's a little bit less clarifying than the Goop scalp scrub, but it does a good enough job where I don't feel like I get any buildup of product, and it's just like a nice refresh to do once a week. But the product that I actually wanted to talk to you guys about, I posted on Instagram, and this is the Rawa air dry spray. So 9 times out of 10, I air dry my hair. Actually, that's not even true. Like 9.99 times out of 10, I air dry my hair. I'm just like too lazy to do anything with it. I stick it back in a bun if it's like really crazy or messy, or I braid my hair. I'm just like not a hair person. And if you watched any of my videos, I'm sure you've noticed. But I am always looking for a product that kind of like helps to shape and define my hair, but I don't need to do anything to it. So I thought that this sounded really interesting. It's a spray that you put on your hair after you shower when you have kind of like damp hair. It does say to kind of like brush it through and run it through, but I have wavy borderline curly hair, and so if I do that, then I kind of like lose the wave and the curl. So what I do is I spritz this generously all over my head, and then I kind of scrunch my hair and like, you know, kind of move it through my hair. I haven't perfected my technique with this because there are sometimes spots where I realize I haven't worked it through enough, and then when my hair dries, it's like a super kind of curly patch for me. But I just found that this brings out my natural wave in a way that's not frizzy, which I really appreciate. I think it does a good job of kind of holding whatever style you have in your hair, and as long as you don't put too much in it, then you don't get any hairspray crunchiness, if that makes sense. So I've really been enjoying this. I have been using this off and on for a few weeks now, and I just thought it was a nice addition if you're someone who also air dries your hair, but you're looking for something to kind of like shape it or just like help manage some of the frizz or just like more unruly bits of your hair, and you don't want to do like styling gel and maybe leave-in conditioners are a bit too heavy for you, like myself, then I would check this out. It's just a lightweight product, doesn't weigh your hair down, and it does a good job of keeping things looking like nice and smooth, and if you have waves, a little bit more defined. Okay, so I know that was a super quick video, but those are all the products that I've been kind of trying recently that I just wanted to give you a little update, a little sneak peek on. I feel like my big makeup try of the past month was the Minori Beauty product, so if you didn't check out last week's video, go do that now. I have like a full review and demo of them. Still really enjoying them. Just super beautiful products. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit more about what I've been trying recently. Let me know if you have any questions about these, and also let me know any video ideas or anything that you guys want to see in the coming weeks. I'm trying to like make a little list and then check some things off. So whatever you guys want to see, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I think that is it for me. So have a wonderful rest of your day or night or whenever you're watching this. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me. And thanks so much for watching again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.